Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about our platforms. We have three: subwoofer, DAW and listening platform, and then our speaker platform. So I kind of want to give you an overview of the three and why we created them and what they're used for. So the subwoofer platform, three things: elevation, attenuation, and isolation. The elevation, you will get a smoother response if you elevate the sub off the floor, regardless of what you read on the internet. Okay, elevation, attenuation. The best way to get absorption, especially low frequency absorption, is to put the absorption as close to the source of the problem as you can. Obviously, the rooms need it because they have modal issues. It's at certain widths, lengths, and heights. I get all that. But the best way to grab energy is as close to the source as you can, okay? Isolation, vibration transmission is a big thing with low frequency energy producing devices. So we need to isolate that from the floor or wherever we're setting it upon. That could make a big difference, okay? Because the speaker sound is three things. It's the driver, the cabinet, and the electronics. So we're helping the cabinet is what we're doing. We're helping the room, the small room, because the speaker cabinet is really a small room. So by reducing the transmission of vibrations, we can actually lower the vibrations in the cabinet, and you're going to get a little bit better, tighter sound, okay? ACDA12 technology, 30 to 50 cycles. That's the big area in low frequency that we need to address. Non-skid surface, we have our 1/4-inch mass-loaded vinyl on the tops and the bottoms. And then different heights, 18, 24, 36, 48. We're doing some in our studio here, starting at 48. It just depends on your ceiling height, depends on your width, depends on your length. There's no one size fits all, regardless of what you think and read on the internet. Okay. Our DAW and our listening platform, attenuation and isolation. The biggest problem we have in our rooms today is these 8-foot ceilings. And these 8-foot ceilings create problems from 60 to 90 cycles. And how are you going to treat it? Well, you got the floor, you got the ceiling. To treat this kind of problem, you need mass, you need weight, okay? If you're going to attenuate any kind of rate that's worth talking about. Yes, there's products out there that grab a little bit at 40 cycles, but they don't get enough, okay? And you got to get a lot. And to do that, you just need mass. And there's just no substitute. Boxes filled with building insulation won't do it. Okay, so you got to have mass. And if you got to have mass and you're going to put it in the ceiling, you're going to have the support structure to support it. Most ceilings don't. Okay, so with the platform, we can treat the floor. Treat the floor, treat the ceiling. Sometimes it's good to treat both, but at least treat one. And with the platform, we can do that. Our ACDA10 technology, 30 to 300. So it gets all of those problems that floor to ceiling area can produce. It's in modular form. So you're going to build 6x6, 8x8, 10x10, whatever you need for your listening or your digital audio workstation area. The square footage of it is not necessarily determined by your needs, but by what the room needs, okay? So you have to keep that in mind too, and we can calculate that for you. All right, speakers. It's a good idea to move any vibration-producing device away from your electronics, okay? So if you can put speaker stands in front of your console or behind it, you're going to do a lot. You're going to first increase the square footage of low frequency absorption because our speaker platforms have our ACDA10 and our ACDA12 technology in them. So you're going to increase the low frequency absorption in the area of the room that really needs it, and that's the front of the room, between the speakers and the walls. So you're also going to minimize vibration, and if you elevate, you're going to improve response. And elevation's a big thing with DAWs because, you know, you're sitting near field, and the slightest movement here or there can really have an impact on the mix and the translation that you're perceiving that's in the mix. Okay, so all of them have their benefits. But these are the three platforms that we have: subwoofer, DAW, and listening, and then the speaker platforms. You can see them all on the website. They're all in the shop section of the website. So I want to give you an overview of our platforms. Been getting a lot of calls on these platforms getting a lot of purchases on these platforms, and I thought it's time to kind of overview them in one video and give you a handle on all of it. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.